Hi everyone, it's a Volvo V50 T5 2005. After we start the engine, make a sound like belt or something weird noise. The noise same like a belt or something touching between the engine and the transmission. But the problem did not came from the transmission. Check it out on this one. Open the oil cap. The noise will disappear. Put it back on. The noise come back. The problem came from the positive crankcase. Have a problem got clogged. Take it off, clean up all the system of the breeze. You will solve the problem. Good luck, everyone.